Alright, so what do you do when your low windshield fluid light comes on or the warning sign comes up on your screen? Really easy. Open up your frunk, get yourself a bottle of windshield washer, and check this out. Alright, there we go. Open it up. And just pour in your windshield washer fluid until you see it rise up. And there you go. When you see it come right up to the edge, just snap the top back up, and then just get your rag and wipe off the excess fluid. Okay, if you got any in your frunk, just give it a nice wipe, and that's it, you're done. Now remember, when you're closing your frunk, the correct way to close it is to bring it down like this, and then put your hand next to the logo and gently push.